Hi! In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Sound section over here and click on Vibrate for calls. Then select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with the last one, so now when I go back, as you can see, Vibrate for calls option has changed. If you wish to, you can always tap on a shortcut to prevent ringing as well, and set up Vibrate by tapping on it. Then go back, scroll all the way down and choose Advanced. Then scroll down again and tap on the switcher next to Charging Sounds and Vibration to switch off or on this feature. And lastly, next to Touch Vibration to switch off or on haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!